The whole idea behind this installation, stones that sound, stones that talk, is to create a parallel universe with a new language, where you could communicate in a new way. We teamed up with the French artist Chemsedine Herriche, who created an entire Stonehenge-like world, planet, made of a recycled polystyrene monolith. He shaped all the stones with the special hot wire and also created this video in the back, which is sort of a window to the parallel universe. Then we integrated sensors inside the stones to make them interactive without touch. Because it's enough to put your hand less than 10 centimeters away from the contact to trigger the sound, melodies, voices of the stones. It's working with the electromagnetic field made by your body, your hands. Like this, you can find a conversation between you and stones.